Healthy Eating Tips, Creating a Better You. Are you finding it difficult keeping up with the best practices in terms of nutritional health? You are not alone. This tutorial will teach you how to use the web to create a better you. Introduction. Significant advances are being made in the science of food and nutrition, and moving from newfound information to healthier eating practices is challenging. Not only is the volume of information overwhelming and confusing, the task of determining what information is credible is also daunting. To assist with this process, dietary hints, vetted by reputable sources like the Mayo Clinic, can be posted on your iGoogle homepage daily. Google Gadgets. Nutritional information is gathered and posted daily by a Google Gadget called Healthy Eating Tips. Wondering what a Google Gadget is? It's an HTML or JavaScript application. These applications are similar to cell phone apps, only they are designed specifically for use on a web page. Tutorial purpose. This tutorial will teach you to set up a Google Gadget on your iGoogle homepage. You are encouraged to make it a regular practice to read the provided health tips. In the first 5 to 10 minutes of every classroom session, these topics will be discussed, and knowledge, personal experiences, and resources will be shared. Class members can post links to internet resources on the D2L discussion board. This will allow people to pursue topics that relate to their personal wellness journey. Learning outcomes. On completion of this tutorial, wellness students will be able to embed the Google Gadget Healthy Eating Tips into their iGoogle homepage. Students will also understand that continuous learning can be undertaken with minimal effort through web supports. Getting started. Prior to completing this tutorial exercise, you must sign in to iGoogle. If you don't already have an iGoogle homepage, an account must be created. You can pause this tutorial in order to do this task. Either open another tab or another browser and paste the above hyperlink into the search bar to access iGoogle's account creation page. In the next sequence, I will demonstrate how to embed the Healthy Eating Tips gadget into your home page. We'll begin by logging on to your iGoogle account. Your Google account and your iGoogle account are two separate entities. So in the Google search bar, type in igoogle.ca. Down here, click on the link for iGoogle. Okay. Now we're ready to sign in. So the blue sign in button, click it, and you'll see before you the screen here, which is the sign in screen for iGoogle. So type in your email or your Gmail address. Followed by your password. To complete it, we're going to click the sign in button. You're now looking at your iGoogle page, as you can see from here. Okay. So to add a Google Gadget to this page is really easy. You're going to go to the search bar where we can already see that the cursor is blinking. So we're going to left click there and type in the words Google Gadget. click the search bar, and you have before you a list of links that are potentially helpful. Scroll down till you find the link that says Add Gadgets to your home page. So we're going to click on this gadget, and now we see a list of gadgets. You can use your scroll bar here to scroll down, and there's quite a few gadgets that you can select. Because there's so many, we're going to do a search for the one that we're interested in today. So we're going to go to the search bar where it says Search for Gadgets. Left click there and then type in the name of the Google gadget we're seeking. Healthy eating. Click on the search button, and you'll see now a list of healthy eating related Google gadgets. The first one is the one we're looking for, and we'll click on the Add It Now button. To check our progress, we're going to go up to the icon that says Back to iGoogle. Left click on that, and it takes us to our iGoogle page where we can now see that the healthy eating tips is here for us to read. And it has some great hints as to how to incorporate fruits and vegetables into your diet and get it so that you're actually using them. While we're on this page, I'll just show you a couple of things related to the Google gadget itself. So if you take your cursor and you hover over the information bar, if you left click, you can move the Google gadget to anywhere on your iPage. So you hold down the left clicker and then you move it, and as you move it you can see the shadow passes, and you can, when you let go, it will move it to another spot. In this case we've moved it down and leaving a space here where that we could perhaps add another Google gadget. Okay, I'm going to move it back up though because I like it where it was and snaps into place nicely. One last thing I'd like to show you is that on this information bar you'll see a drop down box, and when you click on the drop down box you have an opportunity to customize your gadget. So you can minimize it, maximize it, share it, you can also even click. You might also like to add on that, so if you click on that, we're back to the gadgets, and you can see there's some pretty interesting looking ones from the Food Network and National Geographic. If you wish to add any of these, it's the same process. Add it now, and then once you've done that it will change to the blue and say added, and you're going to go back up to the back to iGoogle icon, click it, and we'll be back to our original page and we can admire our handiwork. So that's how you would embed a Google gadget into your iGoogle page. Congratulations, you've been successful. So when this video is completed, try adding a gadget to your Google homepage so that you can start taking advantage of the words of wisdom. Thank you. Tips on Google Gadgets. The Healthy Eating Tips gadget credits the source of their tip each day. However, the gadget is sponsored by Amazon. If you click on the underlined link, you will be linked to the resources Amazon offers on this same topic. Gadgets are easy to add and can provide information on other health-related topics, like exercise. To find these gadgets, return to the page that lists the gadgets and use the Categories menu located on the left side of the page to search topics of interest. Google Gadgets can be fun and informative. Enjoy. Thank you for viewing this video. Now the hard part begins. Engaging in healthier eating habits based on credible wellness practices. This tutorial provides two appendix. Appendix 1 provides written instructions that can be printed and used as a guide when embedding your gadget. The second appendix is a troubleshooting guide to use if you can't see the gadget that you've added to your home page.